When we met, we were talking about where we wanted to build a house, and we wanted to start a family. After 10 years, I don't think there's anything we would change in the house. This is home, so.
Home to me is a place to come and relax.
And family.
That's what
Home means,
that's what home's about.
to me, is family.
Good morning, IBS, and welcome back to beautiful Las Vegas.
It's been unbelievable so far.
Is truly amazing.
Everybody, I'm telling you, everyone's saying it's been the best show they've had in 6 or 7 years.
Because to talk about it, see it on drawings, not nearly the same as seeing it up close.